Torrance home prices just cracked $1.2 million, and buyers are still lining up. Prices climbed 6.2% over the past year, with 66 closings in December. Homes now sit for 41 days, up from 29 last year, yet most still bring in 98.5% of list. Across the South Bay, the median sits at $1.869 million, keeping upward pressure on Torrance values. Mortgage rates eased to 6.15% in early 2026, and every quarter point boosts buying power for locals. Beach access, strong schools, and major employers keep demand steady even with rising costs. Thinking of a change? Message us for a hyper-local plan to buy or sell in 2026.